Good morning. Today we have 1912 Thor, a pioneer bike, still with pedal, is in running condition. Everything works perfectly, but it's not easy to drive because it has only one counter pedal brake and you have to push strongly and is not progressive. Instantly stop, so okay for white road but not for modern asphalt. You have to take care about that. Then you have two speed. Okay, transmission is on the rear hub. On the rear hub you have the counter pedal brake and the transmission, while the clutch is here with this long level. Okay, it's very long and still strong because there is no asbestos disc, only steel. So the like Bart Muro style, and the springs are very strong and the pressure is very heavy duty, and so the lever is not necessary to be Luferrigno, ma almost. Okay, bike is quite difficult to drive because you have to release the clutch slowly, meanwhile pedaling until you reach 10 km/h, 15, and then you release completely the clutch. Okay, we try to start. This is second gear to start, and this is first gear. Okay, for slow speed. When you exceed 40 miles, you go in second gear. Now we start in second gear. Here is the compressor. Okay, half timing, half throttle.